Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix notification delay on iPhone. This could happen sometimes when your phone is in the Do Not Disturb mode or in the Meet mode. And here are the effective steps to fix notification delay on iPhone. First, restart your iPhone. It clears temporary system glitches. Next, check internet connection. Make sure Wi Fi or mobile data is stable, and turn off low power mode via settings, battery, power mode, low power mode, then turn it off. Turn off focus or do not disturb via settings, focus, and disable all active modes. Check app notification settings. Go back to settings again, notifications, choose the app, then make sure allow notifications is set to toggled on. Enable background app refresh via settings again, general, background app refresh, Wi-Fi, and cellular data. Turn off scheduled notification summary via settings, notifications, scheduled summary, and turn it off. Disable notification delivery quietly. Long press a notification or swipe left, then tap options. Tap the view settings, then delivery immediately is toggled on for critical alerts and time sensitive. Update iOS via settings again, general, and software update. Update apps. Go to App Store, Profile, and tap the Update All. Reset network settings. Settings again, general, transfer reset iPhone, reset, and reset network settings. Check app fetch settings. Via settings again, apps, mail, accounts, fetch new data, then toggle on push or use the fetch settings. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.